folks, I'm at Tinsley Park Shooting Club. Time is 7 o'clock. It's bloody freezing, as you'll see. Got a 9-mile-an-hour crosswind, and what I've done, I bought the rifle up, the Air Arms S200 CZ Mark 1 version. I fitted the new air cylinder too. Now I did get a comment on the page about, because I've got a regulator fitted, I can go more than 190 bar, but I'm not doing that because these air cylinders are made out of alloy, and if you do go above the pressure with these, they expand, so it can knacker it. So I'm just going to stick to the 190 bar with this particular cylinder, and I suggest everybody else does, because it actually says in the information that if you go above that, because it is an alloy, it can expand. Right, now the rifle was averaging 11.75 foot-pounds, and I think the top one was 11.99, so that's a bit too close to the top end. So what I intend to do today is five magazines worth of, which is inside the shot count, and then when I get back and try and fine tune the rifle down. And it is a balance between the hammer spring, the regulated air pressure, the transfer port, to get that balance, and also the valve hammer spring itself. So if you put more tension on the hammer spring, it needs a harder hammer strike to open it. Yeah, we'll see how it goes, but for the time being I've got a target at 30 yards, then I'll move it to 40, then 50. But like I said, we have got a crosswind, so it's likely to go to the left. So we'll get on with the test, and then later on in the day I'll go home, start the tune, and you'll see the process at that point. Okay, so that was the initial group at 30 yards. I've got lateral movement because of the wind. It's blowing 9 miles an hour. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to stick it back another 10 yards to 40 yards. We'll see how it's performing at that distance. Okay, we're at 40 yards. Okay, the camera this end, it shuts itself off in the first group, but you can see it at the target end. I don't know if it's too cold for the camera or what, but it's bloody cold for me. Right, so this is going to drop, so I'm going to account for that, and I'll give it some adjustment already, so I'll give it 12 clicks. Use the transferring through it. We're at is it only 6 times, isn't it? It's going to 10. It's going to change the point of we'll see. Okay, shot one top left. Oh, that's dropped, isn't it? For some reason that's the second shot. It's shooting to the right now, so the wind's dropping. Could be it actually. what I'm going to do is, it looked all over the place, but I'm telling you, it's down to the wind that bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a group at just one of those targets at the bottom. You see the flag up there? It's going from dropping down to blowing. I'm a sub 12 foot-pound, and anything less than a 2.5, the wind's going to affect it really. So like I say, the forecast winds is between 9 and 10. Right, I'm just going to keep the same point of aim. I'm going to go for the middle target at the bottom. Look where that one. Second shot never indexes for some reason. Lost count. Right. So the bloody wind's affecting this at 40. I'm stretching that bit too much. Yeah, it's a bit all over the place, but we've got 7 shots within about half an inch there. Okay, so put a new target up, send it back to 30, and we'll do a group on this one. Back to 30, we're going to go for a group this time. Just at the target. Not target, what am I on about? The elevation. Okay, 30 yards group, I'm going for the centre target. Shot the cycle again. do the same again. This will be my last 5. I'm going to go to the bottom target. Wind, definitely. That's blowing it about a mil dot to the right. So what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to hold over to the left by a mil dot. We'll see what happens. Okay, final 10, bottom target. Now is this going to go or not? Yes. That's even with mil dot of Voldo, it's still blowing further to the left. Okay, so that's the testing done. It's too windy to really get any accurate results, but you can see what the wind effect is on it. And it was almost 2 mil dots at some point, at that last one. Get the gloves on, start packing away. Yeah, not good. Yeah. That's the range point.